Welcome back. I'm Jill at thecarefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be making a no-bake pumpkin cheesecake. And this is light and fluffy and has all those warm, cozy fall flavors that we all love. And it's inside this amazing ginger snap crust. So follow along and I will show you how to make this easy no-bake pumpkin cheesecake in just a few minutes. To get started on the ginger snap pie crust, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a food processor for this, or a blender, or something hard to break up the ginger snap cookies. So whatever you decide to do, you want the cookie crumbs to resemble coarse sand. This time I'm going to use a blender and just pulse the ginger snap cookies until it is all broke up. You can even take out those little bits on top that aren't quite crushed and then add them to the blender after you take out the cookie crumbs. You just don't want it to be too fine, or it can be like a little bit gummy on your pie crust. Okay, in a medium mixing bowl, add the ginger snap cookie crumbs, brown sugar, melted butter, and salt. And you're just going to use a spatula and mix it until it's combined. You will know you have the right amount of butter to cookie crumbs if you can squeeze it in your hand and it's just a little bit crumbly. This is like wet sand on the beach. Add the cookie crumbs to a 9-inch pie plate and use your fingers or a cup with the flat bottom and press it evenly onto the sides and bottom of the pie plate. Bake your ginger snap crust in a preheated oven for about 10 minutes. Remove it from the oven and let it cool completely before filling. If you would rather not bake your crust, you can also put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes while you're preparing your filling. And this works great during the holidays when your oven is really busy. For the no-bake cheesecake filling, add your heavy cream to the bowl of a stand mixer, or I'm using today, a bowl and a hand mixer. You're going to beat it on high until soft peaks form, or about 3 minutes. Now just set your whipping cream aside. To make the cheesecake, add your room temperature cream cheese to a bowl and beat with your hand mixer until it's smooth and creamy, or for about 2 minutes. Add the powdered sugar, vanilla, pumpkin puree, and the pumpkin spice mix. Now beat it until smooth again. Now you can add the pumpkin mix to the whipped cream mix and beat it again, or just use a rubber spatula to gently fold the whipping cream into the pumpkin mixture, and just continue mixing until it's all even. Now transfer your pumpkin cheesecake filling into your prepared 9-inch ginger snap crust, and use a spatula or an offset spatula to smooth the filling to the edges of the pie. Place your no-bake pumpkin cheesecake in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to set completely. Slice it and serve it as is, or with a big dollop of whipped cream. This simple no-bake pumpkin cheesecake takes all of your favorite flavors, like real pumpkin, warm spices, and cozies them up inside a delicious graham cracker or ginger snap crust. All right, take a look at this no-bake pumpkin cheesecake. This is everything that I love in fall. Got that whipped cream, cheesecake. That is 10 out of 10. Would recommend. So perfect for your holiday feast or just a weeknight at home. This is scrumdiddly-umptious. I mean, I could eat this for breakfast, dinner, and lunch. Thank you so much for watching this episode of The Carefree Kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I'll show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.